Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing text effect using Canva. After opening your Canva project, go to uploads, and after uploading your image, let's drag it to the design, increase the size to fit exactly the page, go to elements and go to shapes, choose the square and resize it to cover all the page and change the color to black. Go to transparency and decrease to 70 and go to apps and type craft. Let's choose this app. Type your text. Change the font to any font you want. Let's use this font. Go back. Change the color to white color. And click reset shape. And click add element to design. Let's place it in the middle. Exactly here. Duplicate. Click horizontal. And move this point like this. Click no mirror. And move the point in the middle as well. Move it down. Click update element. And copy. Add new page. Let's paste here. And download this page as PNG with transparent background. Download just the second page, this one. Go back to the first page, delete this one, and upload the new image. Go to flip and flip vertical. Increase the size to fit exactly the text. And go to apps again. Type image blender. Choose this app. Choose linear. And change the position of these points. And decrease the straight to 0. And click save. And download this image. Let's go to the second page. Let's delete this text. Upload this image. And drag the original one. So we have these two images with the same resolution. Go to apps. And type blend image and choose exactly this app. Click in this one first and use it in top layer. Click use selected image. Click in the background image and use it in bottom layer. Click use selected image. Go to blend mode and choose multiply. And click add to design. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.